Right now, there's a massive shift happening in tech, and it's bigger than ChatGPT, it's bigger than AI art, and even bigger than crypto.
AI.
AI assistant.
AI agents.
AI will be able to do everything.
The next big AI trend is AI agents, and they're going to change how you work, make money, and how businesses operate. In this video, I'll break down in plain English how AI agents work, what AI agents actually are, how you can build them with zero code, the real ways people are integrating them today, and how to get ahead of the wave before it hits. This is not just about theory or hype. I'm going to show you real tools you can use to create simple automations and the smart moves you can make today. So let's start with the big question. What is an AI agent? It's not just a chatbot. It's not Siri or Alexa. It's more like your own personal digital assistant that can understand your goals, break it into steps, use real tools like Google, email, Calendly, Stripe, and then go out and do work for you. For example, if you want to post weekly content, your AI agent can do research, generate titles, generate thumbnails, put it all together for you to approve, and then schedule and deploy that content to various different systems. If you wanted to follow up with leads, for example, your agent can find contacts, craft customized emails, and then track the replies. The best part about this is you don't need to be a coder. You can build this with simple drag and drop tools. So let's talk about building your first AI agent without writing a single line of code. Here are the platforms I would use to get started. Nathan is my favorite, spelled N8N, powerful automation tool, and it's open source. Zapier, everyone should know this, beginner friendly, plugs into all the different APIs, and you can use it to track, change, and act on different interactions within various different APIs. You then have other tools like Make.com, ChatGPT, Notion AI, etc., which can all be used in addition. These tools connect things like Gmail, Twitter, LinkedIn, Calendly, Stripe, all the stuff you already use. Step 2, define your goal. Start with something you already do. Ask yourself, what do I do repeatedly that AI could take care of? What could I hand off to an assistant if I had one? That will become your agent's goal. Examples of this are follow up with a calendar event after a meeting, write and schedule 3 posts weekly, research ideas for content, check, update, and send out invoices on a set date. Step 3, we're going to add AI to make this an intelligent automation, an AI agent. So this is where it gets cool. Instead of just basic if then do that logic, you can plug in something like ChatGPT to make an informed decision on what to do next within the workflow. Example, Zapier gets a new lead, ChatGPT writes a custom email, the AI agent sends that off. Or Nathan detects a new blog post, ChatGPT summarizes it and posts the bullet points on LinkedIn. Make.com scrapes customer feedback, ChatGPT turns it into bullet points, Slack messages the team, and then they respond to the customer feedback or action the customer feedback in some intelligent way. That's an AI agent. It listens, thinks, and then acts automatically. Step 4, set it and let it run. Once it's running, it'll run 24/7. No need for clicking around or extra config or checking on it. It's just working in the background. Congratulations, you've just hired your first digital employee. So let me show you some real beginner use cases that you could build and use today. AI content assistant. Say you want to start a newsletter. Give your agent the topic, it goes off and researches it, outlines, writes, and schedules a post. You could do this very easily with ChatGPT, Zapier, and Notion for your blog. Another example, client follow-up. If you're running a business, after every sales call, your AI agent sends a personalized follow-up email with a summary of the meeting and action points for each attendee. Tools you could use for this are Nathan, Zoom, ChatGPT, and Gmail. Another idea is an invoice reminder agent. Checks for unpaid invoices and sends a polite email chasing the client for payment. Tools you can use, Make, Stripe, and ChatGPT. One we use it for is a YouTube idea generator. The script was made with AI agent, generates 50 titles, of which I choose the best title. It creates the script, segments it into different sections, makes sure it's the best viewer experience possible. So learning from stage 1 to the end of the movie. So we try and make it as valuable as possible from start to finish of the script. It checks for trending titles and inputs all this stuff into Google Sheets and Google Docs. We're using ChatGPT, Nathan, RSS feeds, Google Sheets, and Google Docs. Customer support agent is another great idea. This would summarize incoming emails, generate helpful replies, and logs FAQs. Again, you could use ChatGPT, Zapier, and something like Notion for this. All right, so let's talk money. Here's how to turn these AI agents into income. You can start off as a freelance automation builder. I know a couple of people that do this as an agency. They build automations for companies. So you can offer to build small agents for businesses and charge anywhere between $300 to $3,000 per month, depending on complexity. You could sell templates and workflows, build your AI agents into downloadable templates and workflows, and sell them on something like Gumroad or Notion or your own website. Digital products is another great idea. You can create a course on how to create these different AI agents and sell that for $50 to $200. You could do retainer services as well. Things like email marketing for businesses with AI agents, where you're charging $1,000 per month per client to start, depending on volume. Customers love these done for you options. You don't have to be a coder, just have to be a person who knows what's possible with these AI agents. Right now, AI agents are where websites were in 1997. Still new, still fresh, a lot of people aren't implementing or using them, and everyone will need one. It will reduce companies' wage costs, make them able to scale faster, answer things like customer queries 24/7. We're heading towards an era where AI agents will handle everything from sales to HR to finance. As these things get smarter, multi-agent teams will coordinate with each other and make intelligent decisions based on input from other AI agents. You'll see AI app stores full of ready-made agents that you can purchase and download for yourself and use in your company. You'll have AI agents that know your personal habits, how you think, what your schedule is and goals are, and it'll be able to help align you towards your goals. If you're watching this video, you're probably already ahead of the other 99% right now anyway. AI agents aren't some distant future. They're here, they're working, and they're wildly underrated. You can build them today, you can build a business on them, you can even turn them into products and income streams. Start simple, choose a repetitive task, use a tool like Nathan, plug in ChatGPT, and let it run. If you found this helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I will create another video on how to create an AI agent, an in-depth tutorial for beginners so you can see what I'm talking about.